Fiona.
The only woman.
The only woman.
Women ruled the world.
They took over now.
Yeah, they did. Walking through the reactor. This is the infirmary.
This is Enrico Fermi's office.
Enrico Fermi's office.
Farmer, codename Farmer.
Codename Farmer, a.k.a. And here's the control room.
I don't know. It's before. The bombs used of Hiroshima was made with uranium from Oak Ridge, Tennessee. And it's the same process uranium's right now. But
Homer.
you could also take the fuel that comes out of one of those plants. You can power nuclear submarines, you can power aircraft carriers. You can do a whole lot of things with it.
Here, Dan, take a video of me. Just hold the phone, aiming at me in front of this thing.
There's the secret squirrel. No control knobs.
Okay, that's good enough. Secret squirrel. I didn't know that DuPont did all the engineering for this place.
No,
That's kind of cool. Did you know that?
I don't know if DuPont did the engineering for this place. They did for the chemical plant.
No, they did it for here too. Ask.
Yeah, you have to go back.
I think DuPont had maybe their engineers worked here.
No. I mean,
What does this mean, send to? They asked me if I want to send it, and then it keeps coming back saying I can't send it.
You can't send it. You probably don't have a plan to send it. You want to send it to your album though? Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. Technology 101.
Secret
Yeah,
squirrel.
the seats available.
Have a seat.
Like to get your picture operating the reactor. You see the strange faces college kids make when they sit in that chair.
There's
Like
the
mad scientists. You know?
there's the secret squirrel. Yep, you are. Secret squirrel at the controls. She's going hot. It's going hot. Shut down. Scram.
While you're seeing it, I'll point out a couple of things that you might find. You can see two red buttons. The safety circuit 1, safety circuit 2. If you push this button, it pushes in the horizontal control. But if you push this one, it puts in the horizontal rods and the vertical rods. If you turn that lever, it dumps over down. You can see why this one's covered up. Because that's real hard to undo. That's what the buttons do for you.
And did you say that DuPont? What did DuPont have to do with this reactor?
DuPont was selected by the General Groves in the Manhattan Engineering District to design, build, and operate the reactor and all the other buildings around it, as well as the Oak Ridge, Tennessee operation.
Yes, I knew that Oak Ridge,
So it
Tennessee.
was a big deal.
Yeah.
It really was. It started out with a company called Stone & Webster. We very quickly realized the size of this project was such a magnitude, Stone & Webster couldn't do it. So they looked around for the largest firm they could find who probably had the capability, and that was DuPont.
Okay.
DuPont was really reluctant to take on the job.
Yeah.
They really didn't want to do it at all. In World War I, they'd been accused of war profiteering, and they really smuggled from that. They didn't like that. And they didn't want to be accused of that again, number one. Number two, nobody ever built one of these plants, and they weren't sure it would succeed. And number three, all the scientists around said, building a plutonium plant was going to be really dangerous.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
They were very reluctant to do it.
Yeah.
And frankly, it was really just old-fashioned patriotism that convinced them to do it.
Yeah.
It's a hell of a story.
Yeah.
Did the chem plant for what, cost plus $1?
They did the entire site.
Oh,
Cost
really?
plus, yeah. And that dollar is framed someplace.
My dad just retired from DuPont.
Is that right?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yep.
I talk a lot about DuPont on my tours, and DuPont to this very day is the poster child for safety in the workplace. I mean, they set the standard for everybody. And when they built this, knowing how dangerous it was, they put in backups to safety systems, frequently in triplets. Like, for example, those balls are called the 3X system.
Yeah.
That means you've tried number 1, you've tried number 2, and now you're to number 3. The accumulator tank's full of rods. They drive in 7 of those 9 rods. All that requires is gravity. The 29 vertical safety rods that are up there, all that is gravity. DuPont did that so that in the event if power fails or anything else fails, gravity isn't going to let you down.
Yeah.
So they built in backups to backups to backups for safety systems. And as a result, this place did operate very safely until it was closed in 1968.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool story.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it's just pretty amazing, just the engineering feat with the technology of the day. And just the manual labor to solder all those wires.
If you look at all the copper tubing,
Just the control knobs here.
the reactor front face where we were has got 2,000 tubes. Every one of those tubes comes through one of these copper tubes. See the copper tube?
Oh, really?
There?
So it's
and there, and there, and there.
So those pressure measurements are taken right there, and a live feed.
It's pneumatic nowadays, of course.
Well, right, but there's a live. Oh, it's pneumatic. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's a pneumatic line here to the gauge.
And that's how they monitor it.
Because it seems amazing to me that they would monitor it, but it's not a computer, but it looks like about the same as your first computers.
No, there weren't any computers.
Well, you could probably do it today with a computer, regular.
In fact, let me show you the closest thing we had to a computer. You might get a picture of this. This typewriter over here called a flexorider replaced that panel of plugs for temperature measurement. Originally, people would stand with that panel with 2 guys, one with the board, and the other
Oh, DuPont.
Here's the 2. They'd watch that gauge to the left, give right to the temperature. It took 3 shifts to go all the way through that. Get a day swing and graveyard, and by then they'd be done. The next group would come on, and they'd go through 3 shifts.
I'm going to keep walking through here for you. I don't know how long my video is going to be in here. There's our motor coach right here. And there's a man right there. He used to work here back in the 40s. Little old man. I didn't really talk to him though. Pretty cool little thing here. Control room again. Oh no, this is where all the stuff took place. Hope this video comes out. You guys can see this. Evacuation route. This goes down into a dark hole of radiation, I'm sure. This was the lunchroom, they said. They just put artifacts in here, but this was the lunchroom. They had 50,000 people working here. I don't know how they had able to eat in the lunchroom, but maybe they just cooked their food here. This is a cool sign. These are billboards they had all up in this area here because it was a city in itself. I think you'd like it here, John. Yep. Didn't realize that DuPont knew Jones would be working in Oak Ridge, and that's where the big facility was in Tennessee. Well, this is the #1 facility. The second facility was in Oak Ridge. which is Tennessee. I think you guys are supposed to move there if you were going to take